How to buy Dogecoin on Webull. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can buy Dogecoin on Webull, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you've downloaded the Webull app from your respective app store. Once you've downloaded and opened the Webull app, you'll basically see this type of interface, right? So after you just come over here, what you want to do is you'll see this type of interface where you have to tap on the markets icon over here. Once you tap on the markets, at the very top you can see crypto. Just tap on the crypto option. Now once you tap on crypto, over here you'll find Dogecoin, which is Doge USD. Basically just tap on this option, and over here you'll find the trade button on iPhone. On Android, what you can do is just tap on this button, share it, and then actually go ahead and then buy some Dogecoin after you're eligible for it. Basically that is it on how you can buy Dogecoin on Webull. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.